Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Bush Bros channel.
We're gonna walk the river, see if we can get some trout and crayfish. Should be a lot of fun.
Stay tuned. Okay guys, Austin has his first fish.
I just caught one. Look at that thing, that is so cool. I just caught that. It's full of minnows.
Well, our fishing spot over there, we only really caught that tiny fish, so we're gonna just keep moving up the stream and fishing and...
Where there's a little more current.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay guys, it's still raining. It's actually kind of picking up a little bit, but we're kind of lost along the river as we speak. We tried to fish, but we didn't have any luck. And so we're kind of just walking out. We know eventually it'll lead to the waterfall.
We've probably been walking in this drained out lake for probably 5-6 miles.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6 miles. It has just been treacherous.
We've made it, boys. We're on the trail.
Guys, we're coming up on the street, on the falls now. It's been long awaited.
It's a movie.
You gotta get a picture of it. We're gonna hopefully take a trail to meet the river above or north of the falls, because that's where we heard the best fishing is. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so we've gotten to the northern part of the falls. This is where supposedly the fishing's better.
We're going down to the river now.
We're not walking down that.
You stop going down so far, bro.
It's a little steep here.
I say we just jump it. I think we can go to the right here. There's a D trail. Look, see it?
Okay, we're gonna head over here. We have made it down to the river. It's a little fast flowing for trout fishing. We have finally made it to this trout fishing spot.
We've been walking for 4.5 straight hours.
4.5 straight hours. During the process, we broke our tripod here, which was absolutely terrible because it's the only tripod we have. But nevertheless, we better catch some trout.
First cast bit, second cast came back, got him.
Here, put
literally amazing.
Suckers don't have that line on the middle.
My second
guys,
cast.
this is amazing.
Oh, let's
get him.
Oh.
Did you put a new one on?
Let's go.
Chuck him.
About 6 inches.
Fish on the line.
Same exact type, same exact length.
Just tiny little trout.
Oh, it's a little bit smaller.
A little smaller. Where'd you catch him?
Same exact spot, just right over here.
Right over there.
Oh, he's got much better color though.
Look at him.
I'd say so. I honestly don't even think it's a trout. I honestly think these are like suckers. I don't even know. Because they could be stock trout, but look at the mouth. Mouth looks like a sucker mouth.
Pop them back.
Got another fish here.
I'm on again.
He's a little bit bigger this time.
Is it a keeper?
Oh. See, these are not trout. These are suckers because it has the orange tail. You do not want to eat a sucker, Hevie.
What weight deal are you using?
That's a nice one, probably 7 inches.
What's so bad?
Nice. Huh?
What's so bad about a sucker?
They are not good tasting at all.
We fished here for like 30, 40 minutes, and all we really caught are those smaller fish. So we're gonna move upstream a little more to hopefully a bigger pool. I mean, this is pretty good, but we're hoping for some fish to cook. So yeah, let's get to it.
We've moved upstream a little bit from being back there. We just weren't getting anything except for those small ones. So we come up here. We haven't really caught anything except for those small ones. And our goal here is just to get some fish to fry up. And you know, at least get something that we can keep. It's, you know, we got like three and a half hours left. So it's gonna be a fun time trying to catch some trout here. And guys, if you're wondering why the footage is so shaky recently, we broke our tripod climbing up, you know, getting from spot to spot. So it's kind of unusable right now. So we kind of have to have a permanent cameraman.
Yeah, there's our
off right there.
So
guys, I just caught another little sucker at our new location on the second cast. Same crap we were getting earlier. So it doesn't look so promising, but the next cast, sucker, about twice the size. Another one. There she is.
nice.
Same shit again.
I know. Hey, if we catch a big one of these, we're gonna eat it though, because
Yeah, if it's like 8+ inches. There's so many of them too. That's all people have been catching. So.
Whatever.
Kind of frustrating. Okay, fish on. Huey's first fish of the day.
And it is nice and small.
That was wonderfully.
I use this stuff
size.
for bait.
This is bait fish right here.
Buddy.
Let's see it, Hubie. Oh, it's so big.
Wow.
Look at that.
I don't even know.
Same species we've been catching, it is.
Yeah.
Alright, well. Alright guys, we just ran out of water and we are very, very thirsty since we've been hiking quite a bit today. That is exactly why I brought the blue water filter here. So I was having trouble getting my water. Got a stick, put the bag through the stick, and it's filling up with water. Now, oh god. Now the trouble, okay, I'm literally gonna freaking lose this thing. Shit. Crap.
Okay. Oh.
Come here, big boy. Not going anywhere today. My feet.
Is it cold?
Yeah. But it's not even bad because there's so much crap in my shoes. It's not even bad. Alright. Bring this puppy up here because I didn't want to lose this thing. Not gonna lose that thing.
And we found this spot. We think it's pretty good. Kind of over there. The water's kind of calm. So we're gonna go and check it out.
Hopefully it's deep enough.
Yeah, hopefully it is deep enough.
So guys, the corn is on the portable stove now. It's gonna cook, and as you can tell, we didn't get so much success fishing. So we're just gonna resort to the stuff that we brought instead, like corn and sausages and stuff. So what we're gonna do here is we're just finishing our second can of corn, and we're gonna cook up these sausages right there in the pan, cut them up into little pieces and boil them. Just for two.
Go.
Oh, look at that, baby. We are power boiling. And if you don't know what that means, you can probably figure it out. 1.5 minutes at 950 degrees Fahrenheit. Just to warm the sausages here. Today.
How are we looking as far as that goes? Is it hot, cold?
Oh, fine, yeah, fine. It's too hot. Turn off.
And our summer sausages are done. So we've cooked up some of our summer sausage, but now we're gonna make kind of a stew. We're gonna use summer sausage and potatoes and the leftover juice from there.
It's pretty quick.
I want them to almost fall apart. So it's like almost like just like a meat soup.
We decided to put some onions in too. Oh, yeah, got the stew going. The only thing we're missing is the crayfish.
Yeah, the potatoes are still pretty hard.
Normally we mess up food, but we didn't today. We haven't yet.
And I've been holding this the whole time because I do not want this to fall over. This is our pride and joy.
Like our last video.
Yeah.
Go check out our last video.
If you want to see our video where this did fall over, check it out. It's in our description below, and I'll also put a link to it. So
it was a pretty messy video because we cooked everything over the fire.
Yeah.
Hard to control everything over the fire, but that's why we brought this. Oh no, pour the whole thing.
No, because they gotta evenly out distribute the soup and stuff. So there you go, and then we're gonna add a little bit of broth to that.
You guys go ahead.
Look at that. Got our tea in there. Pour the tea in here. Look at that. You want some?
Hey man.
You might want to give it a little swoosh first. It's a little sandy.
It is. No, it's fine. I can drink sand.
Here.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, tell your friends, and if you have any suggestions for us in the future or anything you really liked about the video, please comment down below.